Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class of 7 Star Convent School. Students, today we will discuss about distributive law. What is distributive law? Okay, in the simple manner we can say if a condition like this 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3, then how we will solve this? We can solve this by the distributive law. Okay, first of thing we can do is we can solve it simply. If we solve this simply, then it becomes 2 into 7 plus 3 becomes 10, and now finally we get 2 into 10, which is 20. But if we solve with the distributive law, then we can say this question will be like 2 7 plus 3 is here, then we can solve it like 2 multiply by 7 and then plus 2 multiply by 3. That means the 2 is distributed in two different parts. Okay, first we multiply 2 with the 7 and then we multiply 2 with the 3. Now from here we can say it will be like 7 into 2 becomes 14 plus 2 into 3 becomes 6. Now finally we have the answer of 20. Okay. In the both cases answer will be same, but sometimes distributive law make the solutions of the questions very easy. Okay. Students, now we will see some of the examples of distributive law. First question we have like 8 into 107. If we have a question like this, then how we will solve this? We can solve this by a simple mechanism, that is distributive law. For example, if we solve this, then it becomes 8 into 107. We have to break the 107 in two numbers. That's why we can write 100 plus 7. Okay, now from here if we solve this, then it becomes 8 into 100 plus 8 into 7. Now from here our question is very easy. Okay, now it becomes 800 plus 7 8 ja 56. Okay, now from here if we add these numbers, then it becomes 856. That is simply our answer. Okay. Now students, if we take another example like 14 into 108, then how we will solve it? We can also solve this by the distributive law. It will be like simply we can convert 14 into 10 plus 4 and we have 108. We can write it like multiply 108. Now from here we can multiply 10 into 108 and plus 4 into 108. From here if you solve this simply, it becomes 1080 plus, if you multiply 4 into 108, it becomes 432. Okay, finally if you solve this, then it will be 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 8 plus 3 becomes 11, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, and now finally 1. This is our answer. Okay. Now student, if we take another example like 103 multiplied by 104. We can also do this question by the simple distributive law. We can break this number in two parts like 100 plus 3. Student, one more thing is here, we can also break the second number in two parts. It will be like 100 plus 4. Now how we will solve it? It is very simple. We have to take 100 first, multiply with these numbers 100 plus 4, and again we take plus 3 and multiply with this number 100 plus 4. Okay student, that means first of all we take this 100 and multiply in the whole number, and secondly we take 3 and multiply in this whole number. Okay. Now from here if we solve this, it become 100 into 100, 100 into 100 plus 100 into 4 plus 3 into 100 plus 3 into 4. That means 3 into 100, 3 into 4. Now from here, question becomes very easy. Now from if you solve this, then it becomes 100 into 100 becomes 10,000 plus 100 into 4 becomes 400 plus it becomes 100 into 3 becomes 300 plus 3 4s are 12. Now from here we can simply say if we add 400 plus 300 plus 12 plus 10,000, it becomes 10,712. This is our answer. Okay. Now students, if we take another example like 1430 into 12. Okay. In this case also we can solve this by the simple mechanism, that is distributive law. From the distributive law we can write it 1430, that means 1430 into 10 plus 2. If we distribute 12 in two numbers like 10 plus 2, then we can write it 1430 multiplied by 10 plus 1430 multiplied by 2. From here, if we multiply 1430 into 10, it becomes 14300 plus if we multiply this from this, then it becomes 2860. Okay. Now from here, if we add both numbers, then it will be like 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 6 plus 0 becomes 6, 8 plus 3 becomes 11, carry 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1. Then our answer will be 17,160. Okay. Students, now from here you can solve the questions based on distributive law in your homes. But if you are still facing any problem, you can tell me. Okay. Thank you.